on the pan for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. Your temperature's too high. All right. 350 or whatever.
Yeah, those are. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to sell these.
Hold on.
First time for everything.
Absolutely, and I think you did great.
Just wait until these get done.
The other stuff looks yummy, and I'm catching the next flight to come get a muffin. So, Kyle, you better save me one.
They are the cookies.
Yeah, there's our.
Oh, you know what? Does it taste good?
The oil killed it.
Yeah, maybe I need to get cooking spray.
Let me see your cookie sheet one time.
Yeah.
Bring the phone over.
Hold on. We're just doing a video. I mean, there's no legitimate reason why we're doing it. We're doing it. This pan is hot.
Let me see it. Turn it up. I'm trying to see if it's your baking pan. That's a relatively new pan, isn't it?
It's old.
It's your pan. It's your pan. Definitely your pan.
That was it when we moved in.
It's
Yeah.
definitely your pan.
Yeah, take that back.
You need a new cookie sheet, non-stick cookie sheet. They just slid right off of there. But you said the taste wasn't that good, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's the brand.
Maybe.
Now the muffin sheet that's being used is brand new.
Yeah, the muffin sheets are brand new.
Okay, yeah, you need a new cookie sheet. I replace my cookie sheet probably once every other month.
Oh.
I can't stand stuff to stick.
Yeah, but don't face out of it.
The icing smells good.
So I could eat that stuff with a teaspoon.
Let's whip.
Because they couldn't afford to get other pans. That's why they're using this pan. But the pans were left there. That's why they're using them. I mean, feel free to send them some new pans. That would be great.
Those are resin.
Yep. Damn it. We don't have any Ziplocs.
Yeah, I think those will come out good.
Those should. We don't have any Ziplocs. I was hoping for that we would have them.
And guys, we don't need to be arguing over it. Get your mouth off the fucking milk jug. You can pour it in a cup. They're not done. Mama.
Here you
Yes.
I don't understand why people are arguing over a cookie sheet.
Well, the cookie sheets were, I don't either, but the cookie sheets were there and somebody had to make a smart remark. Why are you using a cookie sheet that was already there? Maybe because some people can't afford to go out and buy new cookie sheets. Like,
half of my life is hand-me-downs.
so, you know
I
what?
mean, I'm grateful for what I have.
It just is what it is. She's doing the best with what she has. So,
Get the color changing cup.
Oh, they're so cool. I like those. People use hand-me-downs all the time. I go to Goodwill. I love to look for deals and stuff. Yeah. No, it isn't. I do too, Sarah. I love Goodwill. They have such, oh my gosh, they have such good things, good finds. Exactly, Kay. Kay, you're right. Yard sale's no different. Absolutely. Yep,
I love yard sales.
I do too. And it's yard sale and time in the city, starting in May. And this was her first batch of cookies. She's never made cookies before, so give her a break.
Yeah, it was the first time for
I don't
everything.
understand. Look, when you made those peanut butter cookies, then the biggest ones.
Because those were already doughed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too, Angel. I love to hit. And you can get some good finds at yard sales.
Look, you know how I said I was going to do like the cupcakes with the rest of the dough?
Yep.
Look.
Ah! Perfect.
They're not quite done.
I would have never thought.
I was like, I can't let that batter go to waste.
Absolutely.
Cupcakes.
That worked.
Oh, Angel, you're definitely right. They are outrageous.
What's up?
You're not done yet.
Yeah, that's good.
You know what, Angel, you're right. I went. You could be able to go to Goodwill and get such good prices now. Sometimes you could get better prices at Walmart than Goodwill, which is ridiculous.
I don't like shopping at the Goodwill. They don't got very many options for food dinner. Did I see Taylor's comment?
No, what was it?
What did I miss?
Yeah, goodbye, Taylor.
What did I miss?
She said, good thing it wasn't your man. Now I lost.
One more time, what?
She said, hopefully that isn't your man because you can do better.
Rude.
Rude, goodbye. Have a nice day. Not.
What was the comment?
Oh, someone came in starting to be rude saying, hopefully you aren't my man, you can do better. Fucking goodbye.
No rude comments or you will be deleted.
Yeah, we don't do, we're not doing drama over here.
This has been a very nice, calm live today. Everybody's been really nice and respectful today.
I don't get it either. I mean, I can honestly never waste my time trying to tear another person down. I couldn't. I mean, unless you push me to the point like a certain someone has been doing, and no, it's not Kyle. Mama, no, you know who I'm talking about.
I know exactly who you're talking about. All bets are off. All bets are off.
Two away.
Yes.
Two. I'm telling you.
All bets are off.
One away from me.
All bets are off.
I'm just like, I started getting heated, I'm telling you.
Yep.
Mama, you even got mad. You're on the other end.
Yeah, I know. Like, heated, like nobody's business.
Hey, Robin.
Yeah.
Thank you for the gift.
She's staying away from me.
I know. I'm telling you.
Dude, you know how everyone on TikTok knows I am. I have a short fuse when it comes to major disrespect, especially when women are doing it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just like how she has a major short fuse when men are being disrespectful majorly.
Exactly. Yep.
I have one disrespectful comment.
Yeah, I literally came in bawling my eyes out. How about went down there? Yeah.
And everyone on this video knows how much of a cold-hearted son of a bitch I could be.
Yeah, we know, Cole. But you'll defend the people you care about, too.
Exactly.
You know, I'll go down to the end of the earth to defend the people I care about.
This one, when I hear the first person, I will take a bullet for it.
I have actual baking mitts and a baking.
Yeah, Dollar Tree came in handy on that one.
Summer, it's time for your nap, honey. Don't go to sleep.
Exactly. No one should downgrade anyone because I'm gonna tell you right now, every single person on this app has their skeletons in their closet. Ain't no one perfect.
Amen to that. And amen to that again. Because that is true. We all have skeletons in our closet. If you say you don't, you're lying.
Exactly.
Everyone has a dark past, one way or another.
One way or another.
You know, exactly. We all bleed the same.
Ain't no one perfect.
Can you get me a cup? I want to drink a glass of pineapple juice.
And you know what it says in the Bible? A sin is a sin. No sin is worse than the other. God views a sin as a sin.
Don't be
So,
shaking.
you can't, oh, well, you did something worse than me. Nope. Read the Bible. A sin's a sin. Period. Maddie. Maddie. Oh, my God.
That's not much pineapple juice.
I know. Mama, here's your pineapple juice for today.
Yum.
Take
Thank
it.
you. Yum. I love it. Thank you, ma'am.
Or would you rather have mango pineapple?
Ew, that one's disgusting.
I don't like mango. Sorry. Mango is disgusting.
My vape is peach mango pineapple.
Okay, I'll take the pineapple part, but not the mango. Sorry.
Look how purple it turned.
Love it. I love those cups. They're so cool.
And we even have a big one too. That turns blue.
Oh, wow.
I love it. Hold on.
It's in the very back. I'll get it.
Yeah, grab it so I can choke. This one turns blue. Girls just want to have sun.
Aw, I love it.
I'm gonna put it in the freezer and show you.
It literally turns blue.
Yeah. Terrible.
Why is the can opener on the floor?
The same reason you're still here.
That makes no sense.
Mama.
Oh my God. That was awesome.
Meow.
Yeah, exactly.
Right over his head.
Uh-huh.
The cupcake might as well check him with a toothpick.
They're still soft. I just touched them. Ooh, congratulations. Good job, Maddie.
I love fried eggs. Yum.
Hey, we're all learning something new every single day. So every time you learn something new, it's an accomplishment.
Yep. I love fried egg sandwiches. Oh my gosh. And with cheese over them. Oh, that brings back my childhood. Mm. Now I'm going to have to go have a
It just tastes
fried
like
egg.
bacon.
Now I need a fried egg. I need a muffin. Anybody else want to give me any food ideas? There we go. Tomato sandwich.
Manicotti.
I had that last night. No, wait a minute. I had stuffed shells last night. Same difference.
Tater tot
Hold
casserole.
on, hold on. Miss Tammy?
Yes.
Oh, did you know you were up here?
No.
Uh,
How did I do that? You were in my pocket.
I
Okay. Bye, honey. I'm going back to listening.
don't know. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. How do I get out of here? You want to kick me out, hon?
I got you.
Yeah, I
Thank
got
you.
You got her.
You're
Thank
welcome.
God my camera wasn't on.
I find it so funny when people accidentally get. She's like, yeah.
I know that they're so shocked. Like, what did I do?
Hey, I have an idea for you.
What's that?
Tater tot casserole.
What is it? Oh, tater tot. I've had it. I've had it. It's good.
Yeah, when we make it this time, we're gonna have it with, instead of the normal cream of mushroom that you have to mix with it, cream of mushroom and roasted garlic.
That'll be good. That'll be good. I've actually made it with cream of chicken as well.
I don't like it with the cream of chicken.
And you could do also, I've had it with cream of celery. That's really good. But I love tater tot casserole. It's easy too.
Yeah, all it is a pound of hamburger fried up, mix cream of mushroom soup in the hamburger, lay that down, tater tots and shredded cheese, and put it in the oven until the tater tots and the shredded cheese is done.
Yep.
Look, Mama.
Oh, yummy, yummy. Oh, they look so good. Oh my gosh. Yummy. Summer breeze. Summer breeze. Summer breeze. Baby.
And we are topping them with this.
What is that?
What is that? The salted caramel icing.
You're going to put that on your tater tot casserole?
No, on the.
Well, that's what we were talking about. Okay, you switched the topic. Okay.
Since we're doing cupcakes instead of cake, because it's not, we only have one thing of icing, that's not going to be enough for both.
That'll be good. It'll be good. Yum.
I mean, it smells damn good. The icing does.
Oh, I love icing. Pumpkin spice savage. They're pumpkin spice cookies with caramel.
Salted caramel icing.
Yeah, that'll be good.
The icing, I just took this off.
Uh-huh.
Since it melted in, it was on the stove.
Yeah.
Lift it, the icing's damn good.
Is it?
Yes.
It sounds good. And I love anything caramel. Anything caramel, I'm down.
I'm a caramel, salted caramel person.
I love.
You know how they have the monster coffees, right?
Yes.
I get the salted caramel ones.
I've never had that.
Damn good.
I like gelato salted caramel.
Never had it.
It's good. Yeah, it does. Pumpkin spice does sound like fall, but I am so not ready for fall. I am ready for spring, though. And I know here in Maryland, we have had so much rainy weather. I've had it with the rain.
I'm ready for fall.
I'm ready for summer.
I'm ready for fall because I'll be 23 in November.
November what?
27th.
Okay, I'm 13. 14. Texas has a lot of rain as well. Yeah, we've had an unbelievable amount of rain, and I'm sick of it.
I just checked it with a toothpick.
No, they're not done.
No. Not anywhere close.
No. Summer, do you got to go outside, honey? You go outside, go potty. Where are you going tonight? Come on, let's go outside. Come on, Summer. Summer's nap time. Potty. Yeah, potty outside. There you go.
I'm gonna have to try that sometime. Ben and Jerry's thought to kill my ice cream. I'm gonna have to try it.
Let me get her coat. It's speaking of rain, it's pouring rain now.
It's just cloudy over here.
Wait, buddy. I'll be right back. I gotta take Summer out.
Hey, Robin, you want to get rid of that comment?
Hold up. Which one?
Green.
I'm confirming my hyperovulation. What comment?
Green.
Where is it?
What? Green. IENEE.
Yes, I do. I hate him all the time. We hate each other.
Noogie.
He gets on my nerves. I get on his nerves.
Especially now that you have to use my phone for live.
Ooh. She hates you deeply, she told us.
Do you hate me deeply?
Yes.
Okay. What?
Amy. She said, I hate McDonald's. Oh, yeah, they're hardening.
He's picking that one.
Yeah, I know, but they're not done. They're hardening. I just took another ovulation test to confirm it since you're not supposed to take it in the morning. So we'll see. It's not been 10 minutes.
Come here, Sums.
Doesn't mean I can't see if it's popped up yet.
Well,
You want to get in your place?
Oh yeah, it's popped up.
now I gotta go look at it since you said it. Back in.
You bring us some.
It was confirmed.
Yeah, but I have to do 10 minutes.
Kiki, you know what time it is?
Your nap time?
Yep. So if you're still on, I'll hop back on later, or I'll call you.
Alright, well, after we get these muffins done, we're gonna.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, cupcakes done, we're gonna.
Start selling.
We gotta make our poster first.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Well, good
Make
luck.
the poster, get everything outside.
Yeah.
All right. Love you, honey.
Alright. I love you, Mama. Bye. He's sitting.
The edges taste like bacon. Literally, try the edge. It tastes like bacon.
No. Okay, so at 45, we're gonna not just that. Oh, well, I hyper-ovulated this month. So, yeah, I guess. I'm waiting for my, yeah. You're not supposed to take it in the morning. But this was this morning. I just took one and I'm waiting for it to, the other one to come back. You're not supposed to take ovulation tests in the morning. You're supposed to take them in the afternoon. But I'm waiting for my other one to come back. So we'll see. That'd be the second peak this month. Yeah, it'd be the second peak this month, which is crazy. Yeah. My tests, even with pregnancy tests, they say you're supposed to take them in the morning, but I always got my darker lines at night. I don't. What?
Hope you know you're basically going to be doing all the calls for the week.
Yeah, I know. You might want to go find the binder.
Okay. That's it.
I'm gonna go look at it, even though I know it hasn't been the full 10 minutes. I'm kind of curious. Yeah, it hasn't even been the full 10 minutes, but it might be too bright. I think it's too bright. Hold on. Yeah, it hasn't even been the whole 10 minutes yet. Yep, I definitely. Huh. Sweet. Hold on, give me a second. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, that's the other one I just took, and it hasn't even been the whole 10 minutes yet. Will you focus, camera? Second peak this month. Oh, there's an end. No, Kyle, I promise you. These are done. Me, how many days? Until I can. There goes my eyes. How many days until I can test? Not everybody understands how ovulation works, guys. So let's not be rude to other people who don't understand it. Because it took a lot of research and a lot to understand what I understand. So not everybody's going to understand it. And that's okay. I'm still waiting. I am 2 DPO. Yeah, I think 2 or 3 DPO. No, and it's not, and that's why I say, like, if people have, I'm still learning. Like, I didn't know what hyperovulation was until last night. You know? And I happen to hyperovulate twice this month. I mean, that's kind of convenient. So, I mean, it takes time to learn it. I mean, thank you. Exactly. Usually you'll hit your ovulation peak between 12 and 14. I'm cycle day 15, and I had a peak on 12, and I had a peak on 15. So I hyperovulated during my 7-day time, my 7-day window. I hyperovulated twice. Kyle, you want to come salt the, you want to come salt them up?
Ice them up.
No, I mean salt.
We'll put eye drop on it. Human.
I mean, everything happens for a reason. Yeah, look at these.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well, we gotta get off here because it's time to start prepping. I'll see y'all later. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Peace!